In addition to the United Arab Emirates request, the Justice Department is also seeking help in terms of existing mutual legal assistance agreements from the United States, India, Canada, Switzerland, Mauritius, Hong Kong and China. Former Justice Minister Michael Massoud signed an extradition treaty with his UAE counterpart in Abu Dhabi last September, so it's unclear what further assurances Pretoria is seeking from the Emirate at this time. Additionally, we can also now reveal that a member of the British House of Lords has requested the Chancellor of the Exchequer, essentially the UK's Finance Minister, to also impose sanctions on the Gupta network. This follows Thursday's sweeping decision by the United States Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Assets Control to block all property or assets linked to the Guptas within US jurisdiction. In addition to their designations, US persons are generally prohibited from engaging in transactions with the sanctioned individuals or entities owned or controlled by them. Treasury lists Ajay Gupta as the designated leader of the corrupt entity, Atul as the person who oversaw the family's outreach to corrupt government officials, and Rajesh as one who cultivated important relationships with the sons of powerful politicians. Associate Salim Essa is accused of materially assisting in the corrupt activities. In 2017, the Federal Bureau of Investigations also opened up a probe into the family over suspicious cash flows between South Africa, Dubai, and the United States. Reports at the time suggested the FBI was investigating individuals and bank accounts for ties to the Guptas, including cash flows to a company operated by Gupta family members Ashish and Amal, who are reportedly Houston-based nephews of the Gupta brothers. Earlier, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said sanctions imposed against the four individuals demonstrates his government's commitment to promoting transparency, accountability, and the rule of law globally. Pompeo's statement commended the critical role played by the country's civil society activists, whistleblowers, and investigative journalists in shining a spotlight on the Gupta network's elicitation of criminal abuse and other acts of corruption. Pompeo says the United States strongly supports ongoing efforts by the South African government, including its independent judiciary, judicial commissions of inquiry, and law enforcement agencies to investigate and prosecute alleged instances of corruption. Successfully prosecuting and deterring corruption, he continued, is essential to building a future of accountable government that fosters economic growth and opportunity for all South Africans. Bryce-Pease, SABC News, New York.